Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add vinyl record sticker to Instagram story. So in order for us to get this done, I'm here in my profile. So I'm going to go ahead and tap this plus sign right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose story. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead and basically click my gallery here in order for me to choose what to upload. I'm gonna go ahead and try to upload just this picture right here. I'm gonna choose this one and then I'm going to go ahead and click music. From here, you can just go ahead and basically choose a music that you want. For example, this one right here. And as you can see, automatically it has chosen this vinyl record. If you don't see it, most likely you are choosing this one right here. So you're going to have to swipe to the rightmost corner until you see the vinyl record. Now from here, you can just go ahead and tap done, and then you can go ahead and resize this if you want to, or you can just go ahead and make it as big as possible depending on your choice. Now from here, once you're satisfied, just go ahead and post this one. I'm going to tap this, and then I'm going to go ahead and basically share this one. Click done, and then we're going to wait for this one to be done. Alright, there you go. As you can see, it is now playing. And yep, that is basically how you are going to add vinyl record sticker to Instagram story.